how to delete Facebook account on phone. In order to do that, we can head over right here to your three lines. Look right here to your settings or gear icon, and then from in there, scroll down until you can see the deletion. Alternatively, you can also go to your Meta Account Center, scroll down until you can see this personal details. Click on this account ownership and control, and then from in there, click on this deactivation or deletion. So just enter right here your Facebook, and then click on this delete account. Then click on continue, and then take note that your Facebook page will also be deleted. So click on continue as well. Then you can just put in here a survey that they have in here, but you can also skip that if you want. Now scroll down, then click on continue, and then from in there, just enter your password in order to successfully delete your account. So that's how you delete Facebook account on phone. Hope we helped.